As a part of financial reporting, do you constantly struggle when there are multiple contracts with a single customer? When to combine all of this into a single contract? Let us find out. Hi, my name is Ramanujam Narayan. I am a global gap expert with more than 15 years of corporate experience. I have trained and transformed more than 1000 finance professionals in my life in the areas of Indian GAAP, US GAAP and IFRS. Let us take a hypothetical example in front of us. Oracle Inc., which is a leading IT company, has entered into a contract with Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The contract is basically to develop an automated procurement system for Indian Oil Corporation. Now, Indian Oil Corporation has entered into a contract. Both the parties have signed the contract. At the same time, Bharat Petroleum has also come to Oracle and they say that we also want to develop an automated procurement system through which we can save the time immensely. Oracle India says, yes, I will do it, but I will give you deep discount only when both the entities are getting into a contract with me in order to develop this automated procurement system. Please remember guys, both Indian Oil Corporation as well as Bharat Petroleum are government owned. In this scenario, is this multiple contracts or is this a combined contract? Let us find out. As per IFRS 15, two or more contracts when it is entered at the same time with the same customer, it can be considered as a single contract provided either of the three criteria are met. Criteria number 1, if the contracts are negotiated with the same commercial objective. Criteria number 2, the consideration of the contract depends upon the performance of the other contract. Criteria number 3, the goods or services promised in the contract are not distinct and they are completely consolidated as a single performance obligation. Now coming back to Oracle Inc's dilemma, let us put these three criteria under the context of Oracle Inc. Now both Bharat Petroleum and Indian Oil Corporation are government owned, which means I am entering into a contract with the same customer and both the contracts have been entered within the time frame of 2 weeks, which means I am entering the contract at the same time. The contracts are negotiated as a package with a single commercial objective. Yes, Oracle Inc. is very clear that they will not enter into a contract with both the parties if both the parties don't give the work of automated procurement system to Oracle Inc. So the criteria of single commercial objective is definitely met. Let us put the criteria number 2. Consideration of a contract depends upon the performance and price of the other contract. Of course, if Oracle Inc. does not get the work of Bharat Petroleum, they won't sign the contract with Indian Oil Corporation. So criteria number 2 is also met. Considering all of these parameters, we can clearly conclude that these two contracts can be combined into a single contract. If you have come across any instances where you have found it difficult to comprehend the situation of multiple contracts getting clubbed into single contract, let me know in the comments below. To know more about the practical aspects of IFRS 15, we are organizing a 3-hour breakthrough webinar on the practical orientation of IFRS 15. If you are really keen to understand more, register on the link below.